Hello, this is Yoh. Today I will show you 4 stretches to relieve your knee pain. If you have knee pain, your muscle on your thigh must be so tight. The muscle on your thigh are connected to your knee joint and it are attached to your tibia bone. Tight muscles contract and pull up your tibia bone, and the space between knee joint get narrow. So this is femur bone, this is tibia bone, and this is knee joint. There should be enough space between knee joint to move. But your muscle on your thigh is so tight, it pull up your tibia bone and it creates more friction between knee joint and it causes knee pain. So, to reduce tension of your muscle on your thigh, make more space between your knee joint, and today's stretch help for that. This stretch consists of 4 aspects: front side, inside, back side, outside. Okay, let's do it. Stretch number 1, front side. I do my right side this time. Hold the chair or table for your stability. Grab your right ankle and make your heel and hip closer. If you're bending like this, stretch is not enough. Lift up your heel as high as you can and keep your upper body straight. You feel nice stretch of your front side. Hold 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Stretch number 2, inside thigh. Put your right foot on the chair and spread your hip joint and push down your knee to the ground a little bit and tilt your upper body to right side. Try not to lean forward. You feel nice stretch on your groin area to inside of your knee. Hold 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Stretch number 3, back side of your thigh. Put your right foot on the chair and straight your leg. Point your toe upward. Push down your knee to the ground a little bit and bend your upper body forward. You feel nice stretch on your behind knee to the hamstrings. Hold 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Stretch number 4, outside of your thigh. Hold the chair for your stability. Put your right leg behind the other side. Slightly bend your left knee and drop your body and tilt your upper body to left side. You feel nice stretch outside of your thigh and hold 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. The muscles on your thigh occupy 50% of your whole body, and it's connected not only to your knee joint, it's connected to your hip joint and pelvis. Stretching your thigh muscle improve your hip joint movement and also improve your pelvis balance. For your maintenance, I recommend you to do this both sides once a day, and it's also good to do this after taking baths, and also it's good to do this before you work out. You can warm up your muscle and joint and prevent the injuries. Stay safe and take care. Thank you.